In this video, I will show you how to appear offline on Steam. So I'll be showing you how to change your Steam online status so your friends won't see you as online whilst you're playing games or using Steam. This is really useful to do if you want some privacy, enjoy gaming without interruptions, or simply don't want others to know when you're online. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Steam tutorials, gaming tips, and simple tech guides. Now, there's actually two ways you can do this, so I'll be using the Steam app to do this. Once you're logged into Steam, if you actually come up to the top left hand corner, click onto friends up here, you're going to see you can change your option here to offline. Now, another way to do this, if you come down to the bottom right hand corner of Steam and click onto friends and chat, what that's going to do is open up your friends and chat window. From here, come and click onto your name at the top, so you can see the small arrow next to your name. Give that a click and you can see we've got some further options with some descriptions of what each option does. So you can set your status to away, you can set it to invisible, which means you'll appear offline but you can still chat. You can set it to offline, which means that's going to sign you out of friends and chat. Do not disturb, which disables all chat notifications. So that is how to appear offline on Steam. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.